Begin by downloading the SIB Digital app. We're going to open our Sharjah Islamic Bank zero balance account in just 4 easy steps. So go ahead, open the app and tap on Open SIB Digital Account. As you can see on the screen, go ahead and enter your email address, your mobile number, and then tap on the Continue button. Verify your mobile number by entering the OTP that will be sent to you. This is very easy, guys. Here on the next step, start verifying your Emirates ID by scanning the front side of your ID and also scanning the back side. All your Emirates ID information will be revealed, as you can see here on the screen. Review and confirm that all this information is correct. Agree to the terms and conditions and then tap on the confirm button to move on to the next step. Guys, remember that this Sharjah Islamic Bank zero balance account needs no minimum balance requirement. And if you're wondering about its minimum salary requirement as well, stay tuned. First, let us take the selfie to confirm our identity and then enter our employment status information. Enter your monthly salary, and this is very important. Select your product type, which should be digital account. Tap on the drop down button and select the purpose of opening this account. As you can see here, we have salary, savings and investments plus many more. So for the purpose of this video, let us select savings. Again, go ahead and select this box if you want a bank card, which is the Sharjah Islamic Bank digital prepaid card. Tap on the Continue button to move on to the next step. At this point, I know many of you must be wondering, does Sharjah Islamic Bank give a debit card or a prepaid card? Well, first you enter your address details and then toggle on this button to make this your primary delivery address. It's on this address that your bank card will be delivered to. So tap on the Continue button. Last question before we open our account. To confirm that you are not a USA citizen, tap on this option here, which says none of the above is applicable to me. Agree to the terms and conditions of this service and then tap on the Continue button. Congratulations, guys. Your application for opening the SIB digital account with Sharjah Islamic Bank has been successfully submitted. Do you know what is the most interesting part? This is completely a zero balance account with no minimum balance requirement and no minimum salary requirements. It will come with a free SIB digital prepaid card. So you can go ahead and then create your password and your username. It is this username and password that you'll use to access your banking services via the SIB digital app. That's everything you need to know about Sharjah Islamic Bank zero balance account.